Today we're going to use Python in order to create programs. First, you need to learn how to install the Python and a Python IDE. But in this case, I'm going to assume that you already have installed the Python and the Python IDE. First of all, when creating a Python file, you need to create a new project file. The new project file, don't focus on these matters. Give a location that you want. For now, I'm going to put it on pending folder. Creating a new directory. I'm giving for my new work folder. This will be the primary repository for saving the Python files. Let's create it. Now it will create. After the creation, you can simply click the file, enter. When you want a new Python file, you can simply click on this, right click, and then new, then Python file. The Python file, give a name, let's say hello world. And since it's set to Python file, you don't need to provide the .py extension, and it's been created. Now let's simply print hello world. Print world. That's pretty much it. Let's run the program whether it's work or not. That's a problem. What is it? Oh yes, we have made a very simple issue. When printing such string characters, you need to provide the double quotation. It's a must, otherwise it will indicate an error. When it is not present, you can see it's indicated through the lead line. And when you fix it, it should be like this. And then you can simply print it out like this. That's pretty much it. If you have any questions, please make sure to comment below. I'll be providing more guides for Python, short videos. Hope things clear out. Thanks for watching.